Good day, investors! Today, let's talk about rent-to-own and how rent-to-own works here at Park McKinley West. Let's begin with the term rent-to-own. It's a concept commonly used in real estate. It's a flexible method of acquiring a property, especially for buyers who may not be ready to pay the full price upfront. So basically, you as the buyer can move into a condo unit after paying only a small percentage of the total contract price. And here in Park McKinley West, we only require you to pay a 10% down payment to move in. You don't even have to pay it right away. You have 30 days after reservation to settle it. And the best part, no immediate bank loan needed. Our rent-to-own terms lets you defer the step until you're more financially ready. No full cash payment upfront, no pressure. Just simple and flexible terms. And the ultimate goal, lifetime ownership of the unit. This isn't just renting, you're working your way toward your owning your dream home. Secure your unit now for only 60,000 pesos. Message me today for more details. Again, this is Clint, your property specialist from Mega World. Thank you for watching.